Guys, I don't know if you can see very well, but we're going to see where all the chickens have decided to place themselves for the evening. This is what I call wow chicken. Listen to her. Wow. She says wow every time you touch her. Wow is right, lady. You're beautiful. So, we got little teenies. You're such a pretty girl. And up here, we got a BB red hen, a phoenix hen. This is Karate Chicken. I know you guys are familiar with her and her karate skill. This is a chicken. It's a hen. Kind of has the Trump do. That's right. You look like Donald Trump. That's all right. Nobody's hating on you. We love Trump. We got a couple doves up there, the pied. A couple phoenix babies accompanying Donald Trump. Okay. Looks like all of our buttons are, they're all in a little bundle there. A bundle of buttons. Aw, hi babies. You guys are so cute. Mommy loves you so much. Quite the little cluster if you ask me. Alright, moving on. Now we go into the big pen. Get through my ghetto door. Let's go into the silver pen. Looks like the little chicks, family of 3, have all posted in one spot for the night. All we can see is the bum of that one. Well, there's your face, you silly kid. Okay. And then we got Daddy-O, Mommy-O, Mommy-O number 2. Beautiful girls. Moving on. Now in the dove pen, we got our pieds, our ringnecks, all up in this vine type mangrove that I put up for them. And a couple pigeons that have decided to post up in here. I don't know their deal, but they seem to, so that's all that matters. And we got this fabulous guy. Isn't he fantastic? He's so gorgeous. And 3 babies! Oh, I've got everybody upset. Okay. Now, yellow golden pin. 1 hen there. Couple doves that decided. This is my hybrid red golden pheasant crossed silky chicken. Accidental crossing. You know, I mean, when birds choose each other, they choose each other, right? What can we humans do? My young yellow golden male back there, he's getting his colors in. I mean, look at this. Pheasants perched next to doves, and they just totally dig each other. They love each other, and they're all kind of like a happy family, every pin. Now we're in one of the peacock pins, the Spalding. There's the dude, and then we got Mommy, and look at this little tiny baby. Yes, I see you in there. You can't hide. You sneaky little thing. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, pretty bird. I know. I totally see you, dude. You can hide in Mommy's wing all you want. We know you're there. And somebody has the little yellow chick. I'm not seeing. Yeah, see? Peekaboo. Hi, little baby. You're so damn cute. Oh, sweetheart. Hello. Such a good mama. I don't know who has the yellow baby. He's in that mess of feathers somewhere. I don't know where though. Where's the baby, little eagle? Where's the baby, little eagle? What are you doing, girl? We've just had miserable hot summer this year, you guys. It's been a mess. All right, little one. I'll get the bright light out of your eyes. I love you. Good night, babies. Good night, pretty mama. Now we're in the pigeon pen where you find my rock star. Fraggle! Fraggle Rock! What are you doing, buddy? Are you sleeping? Huh? Hi, baby. He's a total rock star. He's old. He's super old. And we got all these guys. Looks like a couple up there. Oh my goodness. A lot of them stayed out for the night, I guess. And then, of course, we have a couple hens on nests there. And in here. Pretty cool. In this pen here, we have the midnight peacock and this little self-blue Cochin. They seem to be besties. I don't know what the deal is, but he's a super cool peacock. Aren't you, baby? He's super friendly too. I mean, your feathers are messy, kid. I gave him watermelon earlier, so they're all kind of sticky. Your little rooster, he's not so nice. He's kind of a brat. And here we're in the Cochin pen. Well, this is the Jubilee Orpington. Pretty girl. Hey, how you doing? That is a sizzle, silky frizzle. Blue slate hen. Or no. Sorry, self-blue hen. And you guys know Miss Chica. Chica chicken! Chica! I got 2 hens on nest. I got a showgirl and a Cochin. And another Cochin. They're nested, and I guess she's the nest keeper. Where's old boy? There you are. See how he only has one eye? He didn't fight in Nam or anything, but he's definitely a warrior. He's been through some scrapping and he's won, obviously. What are you doing, girl? Little Cochin rooster. Self-blue Cochin. Hi, handsome. Oh, he's so pretty. They're all wondering what the heck I'm doing out here this late at night. It ain't Sunday. You guys know this guy. The opal-pied white-eye. Opie Juan Canopi. Miss Muscovy. She's the only duck I have. I bought her for, a duckubator, but it didn't work out. She wasn't interested in setting on peacock eggs, and a lot of people that raise peafowls say Muscovies are the key. Well, they're not. At least not that one. And this little old dude right here, he's a little BB red rooster. Just old as can be, but as sweet as can be. Welcome to the Millie pen. We got some Millie hens. We got our porcelain Millie. Hi, pretty girl. Another hen. Big Daddy Roo. Another hen. And another hen. And here we have our Seabrights. It's got kind of a cool rose comb going on. Hi, pretty. This hen, she is not purebred Seabright, but she's close enough. He, however, is pure. Also, not a purebred, but close enough. This little guy's old. They're tiny little chickens. I love their color and their feather patterns. Am I making you uncomfortable? I'm so sorry. But they got really neat feather patterns. I'm sorry, buddy. You know I love you. Thank you for participating in my little walkthrough this evening. You've been amazing. Yes? I appreciate it. Yeah. And I love you. I love you. I know you love me too, you sweet thing. Good night. Looks like we have a Spalding hen here, a violet-pied white-eye male, and then our purple male perched up all together tonight.